Doing this question that appeared in Leetcode Weekly Contest 322-2490 circular sentence. And the question statement given is that you will be given a sentence with exactly one space, and you have to check that if it is circular or not. And the definition of this circular is the last character of word is equals to the first character of next word. That means, let's just take this sentence right here. So they have said that the last character and the first character should be equal, so this is satisfying its condition. And the last character of the last word is equals to the first character. We have already done that. And the last character of every word is equals to the first character of next word. That means, let's just take these two words. So the last character of first word is E, and the beginning character of the next word is also E. So that is also satisfying the condition. So that is what you have to find. So for every such word, is it following this sequence or not? If not, just return a -1, and if yes, return a true. And how do we do this? So at the first instance, you have to see that the first and the last character are same or not. If it is not, just return a false statement. Okay, so that is what you have to do. So the last and the first character are not same. Why so? Because they've also mentioned that it has to be in the same case. Okay, if both are lower, then only it will match, and if one is lower, one is upper, it will not match. Okay, so you have to maintain that case also. So both are not lower cases, so it will be a false. Fine. But if both are in lower cases, for this instance, if you see, it is matching definitely, so we can return a true. Now if you see that there are some spaces in between also in this string, but here there is no spaces, so all we can just do is just match the first and last, and we are done for it, right? But here we have some spaces. Now how to deal with this case? Now all you have to do is iterate on the whole string. Okay, and for each space that you find, you will just match the last character and the next character. And what do I mean by that? Let's just say E F O. This is one of the string, and there is a space in between, and there is again a O F E. Fine. So this is what you have. Now I'll just index them 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. First you match that is 1 and 7 equal. E and E both are equal. Well and good for you. We can now move on to our iterations on the string. Now we will iterate on the string till we find a space. Now we find a space on the index 4. Now all we have to do is you just have to check if index of I minus 1, where I is equals to 4 for now, and index of I plus 1, the characters at these two indexes are equal or not. That is, I minus 1 is 3 and I plus 1 is 4 5, sorry. So 3 and 5, the characters are 3 and 5 indexes, are they equal or not? If they are equal, move ahead. Now if at every instance you see such string or such characters, then you completely go on till the end and you return true at the end of the day. If not, you just directly return a false right here. Okay, so let's get over to the code now. So all you have to do is just check the first and last character at first. If they are not matching, return a false. Otherwise, what you have to do is, this is not needed actually, and all you have to do is just start iterating on the string and check for the space. At every space, what are you going to do? You are going to check the previous character and the next character. If both are not of them are not equal, just return a false. Otherwise, continue in your loop. And if at the end of the day you do not find a false statement, you return a true. Okay, so this is the whole thing. And yeah, if you did like this explanation and if you did understand it, please do like and subscribe.